Hello and good day. And so this right here is the Sunshine 550 watts powerful duster. So with this particular, I do want to thank Sunshine for actually gifting this to me. Here you see the main component of the item. This is how you turn it on or off. You do have to plug it in that you see over here. As far as different components goes, these are all the different components that you could use to actually attach to the duster module itself. This is the third component. Now with this in particular, as I mentioned before, this is about a 550 watt powerful air duster. It's got a nice strong wind to actually promote a clean area. And alternative to compressed air, this is going to be a very highly environmentally friendly device. So I personally will be using this for like my keyboard just because I know what it's like for dust to get in your keyboard, and so this is where it's going to come handy in particular. But it's also suitable for like mobile devices, other electronics, home appliances, furniture, closets, blinds, lampshades. This is where it's going to come in handy. So a really neat, powerful duster. Can't wait to use it, and I've had no problems with it whatsoever.